syncopates. You're driving me crazy. And lately I ain't thinking straight. Your body's amazing.
Hello Fierce Love. So for this video, I am going to share with you makeup look and my first impressions plus swatches of this palette. It's the Urban Decay Naked Cherry palette. And without further ado, let's get started. The part of the video wherein I am going to share with you swatches for this Urban Decay Naked Cherry palette. So there you have it, everybody. I was able to share with you an eye makeup look, how I made it, and then swatches for this Urban Decay Naked Cherry palette. And this time, I'm going to give you my final verdicts. So I am not able to use the entire palette. It's quite difficult to use an entire palette on one eye look anyway. And I usually just do one eye look here on my channel, but soon I will do more, I promise. So the shades that I used for this palette is, I first used Juicy transition shade, and then I mixed that with Bing. I also used Devilish Privacy Young Love at the very end actually, and then I used Big Bang for the half cut crease, and then Turn On for the inner corners, and then for highlighting on the brow bone also. So yeah, I almost used all of them except for 1, 2, 3, 4, actually 4 shades. And what I can tell you is that I love working with this one. I am just quite disappointed about the darkest shade right here again. Same feeling that I have with the ultraviolet palette. We're in the last shade, which is supposed to be that ones that will make it a smoky look, which will complete the palette from day to night. Unfortunately, this let me down. It was a little bit hard on the pan. I don't know if this was this specific palette has a problem, but yeah, the privacy one, I wasn't so happy. It was a little too hard. I had difficulty in blending. It was even patchy, and to the point that I tried to even use my pinky finger to press that on to the outer V. You could work with it, yes, but seriously, I already have a dry or normal to dry skin, so it should be working fine with me. Maybe try it with a better primer. You will see. But yeah, for me, not a fan of that one, so disappointed. But all the others, I'm quite okay. The mattes are a bit. There's a little bit powdery in there, and there's some fallout in there. Of course, we just need to tap the excess from the brush before we apply it onto the eyes. But yeah, the shimmers work well. I love them. I like this Big Bang. I like Turn On. I just wish that Turn On is a little bit much more lighter, so it will be perfect for brow bone highlight. But it was that champagne-y shade. Yeah, I wanted it to be much more lighter. Yeah, Big Bang, Devilish are okay. Young Love that I put just to meet the lighter shade from the half cut crease, and then I blended that with the darker outer V, so it meets and it has like a fine transition. So yeah, I think that was okay. Overall, so since I am starting to rate palettes from 1 to 5 stars. I forgot how I rate ultraviolet. I think that was 3.8. Was it? But this one, I think, that's hard. I think I like ultraviolet a little bit more. So I'm gonna say that this one I would rate 3.5 for my first impressions. Maybe when I keep on using it, I will change my mind. But for now, as my first impressions, 3.5 over 5 stars is what I could say. Do I recommend it? Yes, if you like these shades, if you do not have bazillions of this rosy, red, and pinkish tones, then go ahead and grab it, especially if you see it on sale. To tell you honestly, you would really hear it from me a lot that I only buy my palettes usually on sale, or if there is a discount. I do not buy it without a discount. Or if I buy it full price, there should be like something, a gift with purchase or something like a freebie. And yeah, so I get my money's worth. And yeah, so there you go. And I just put some lashes on, and then I put a little bit more products. So the lip products I really like, but that is a different story. That is a different video, because after this makeup look, I am going to complete the swatch video for this incredible lip product. And if you wanted to also see my review with the Urban Decay Ultraviolet palette, you can check it out on my channel. I'm trying to complete all the naked palettes. I think I'm only missing 2 if I am not mistaken. And yes, and I will share with you all of them and comparing the swatches and give you a ranking video as well, because I love watching those. So there you go. And yeah, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you have comment suggestions or whatever, let's continue the conversation down there on the comment section down below. And subscribe, hit the notification button, because I upload 3 videos every week. And that's from jewelries, beauty and fashion, and anything and everything under the sun, perfume, gadgets, vlogs, whatnot. Yes, love you all and see you on my next video. Remember to stay fierce and fly high.